let's do a jewelry gear unboxing. So in order to sell jewelry, I need to make sure that I have the specific items that will be helpful for me to sell jewelry. One of which would be a ring sizer and things that can fix jewelry if it's broken. And also I got a stand that I will show in a second. But let's go ahead and open this kit and I'll talk about why I bought this one. So they had lots of different like jewelry making or jewelry kits or jewelry fixing kits, and some of them were kind of expensive, but I wound up getting this one, and I'll put the price in the video in a bit. So I don't remember exactly how much it cost, but I think it's like $13, and I like this one because not only did it have the things I absolutely necessarily needed, but it had all these extra goodies where I could make my own jewelry as well. So let's take a look at it. I haven't even opened it except to take out the ring sizer to do rings. So I got some wire, lots of different jewelry wire, different colors, which I thought was pretty cool. Silver, clear, rose gold, more, this one's kind of coming out, and I did not take this out, by the way. Another gold, clear, and another clear, which is cool. I don't know what it was supposed to be, if they were supposed to be different colors, but you know, like, I'm just a starter on this for making jewelry, so I'm happy with whatever. It came with these ring sizers for your fingers to try on to see what the different sizes are. Now the only problem I have with these is because this kit was made in China, they only have, I don't know if you can see this, but they only have the China sizes on the rings, which is quite disappointing. But the benefit is that the ring sizer, it is sized both in the I guess it's done in the Chinese sizes and then the other sizes, and then on the flip side it has the US and the UK sizes. Disappointed with these just a little bit, but not that big of a deal because I can always just put it on here to figure out what the size equivalent is. And again, it was a cheap starter set, so you know, like that. I opted for the bigger box of jewels that came with it. There's all these different little stones in here. I don't know if they're like real or fake. I'm gonna go ahead and open it and just touch them, I guess, to see. So, wow, there's quite a few in here. And so the little wire you could use to string the beads on the little hole, they definitely feel like real polished stone. I don't think they're not. This though, I do think some of them are dyed. I actually learned recently that this isn't turquoise, but I think it's called hamellite. And the way you can tell is that inside it is white. So like in the little hole, it looks white instead of being blue. So that's how you can kind of tell the difference with that. So some of these other colors might also be dyed, like maybe these red ones over here might be a dyed stone. Or let's see, maybe these pink ones are like, maybe these are like, actually I think this is like glass. So they're more glass pieces over here than stone. So all in all, I think it's a really cool kit. Look at what's next. I'm pretty sure this has to do with helping you kind of string feed the beads onto, or not string feed, but put on with the wire, kind of like a little thimble, but just something you wear on your finger to help you hold things. It came with all these little charms, which is really cool. They're all roses. Really like that. Okay, it looks like one of the little charm boxes opened. I don't know which one opened because I don't see the little baggie. Maybe, I don't know, not seeing it. But anyways, so there's like little pins that can help you with holding things in place. Earring backs, silver and gold. The little jump rings that help you like hook things back on for the earrings. This is another little ring sizer. I'm not quite sure how this is supposed to work with A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But yeah, so I think this is kind of probably worthless because it doesn't, there's no A, B, C, D, E, F, G sizes. I mean, what is the point of that? So that doesn't make sense. But you can still measure somebody's ring with this or finger with this ring sizer, and then again, equivalent to whatever this would be. So another little tool that can help with picking up small objects. It's like a little tweezers thing, little pinching tweezers. A small pliers to help with the wire cutting and getting things where it needs to go, I guess. Which is another reason I ordered this set, is because it has small pliers. And some little moon charms, some little cat charms, and you know what? It actually says that they're Sanrio, so they're like legit Hello Kitty. They are Hello Kitty. So real Hello Kitty charms, which is cool. Oh, here's a little bag that all the little starfish must have come in. So there's like little teeny tiny starfish charms. So I can put them all in the bag later and fix that. Really cute clover charms that you can make earrings with. And it's so funny because at St. Patrick's Day I was looking for like earrings that were this, and people wanted like a lot of money for them, so I can make my own now. Some nice little heart charms. I like that the charms are all the same except for the fact that the colors are different, because then it's really easier to make things more uniform. Little flowers, roses, more things for making earrings. Little anchors are very cute. Some cute little butterflies. Just some decorative ones. Some more decorative ones. More decorative ones. And some little lobster claws for making necklaces. So I think it was a great deal for what it might have been. Now that I think about it, I think maybe I paid more in the $20 range over the $13. Anyway, I'm going to post the link to the kit if you're interested in it. The last thing that I got here is I got this little jewelry holder. I think this is quite cool. It's like a soft material. I thought it was going to be like burlappy, but I'm glad I got the white, because the thing that I dislike about my necklace mannequin, or whatever you want to call it, is because it's black, it gets so much lint on it, even though, like, to me it doesn't look like it's a lot of lint. Once it's on like the lighting area and everything, it looks like so much lint. But anyways, let me put a little bracelet on from my Resell and Ship one. So you can kind of display it there, so it'll be easier to take pictures of it. I eventually want to get one for reselling that's like also the stacker, where it measures it in sizes, but I ordered this for now just because it looks better, I feel like, for taking pictures on something like this versus just putting it flat on the ground and then like taking pictures on it. It just looks more professional, and I think this one was the thing that was $13. So anyways, thanks for watching my little unboxing of jewelry tools video. If you have any questions, list in the comments, and check out other videos, and stick around and maybe subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.